Okay. Hi, I'm Caleb from Dragonfly Data Science. I'm here showing off our work called Kōkako, which we did with Te Māngai Pāho. Kōkako is a machine learning system that measures the use of Te Reo Māori language on the radio. For Kōkako, Te Māngai Pāho used to have to listen to the radio or the Māori radio stations in real time. You basically have to pay people to sit there, listen. There are 21 Māori radio stations, and they all broadcast more or less in real time, so 24/7. And so the question becomes, how do you know whether any one radio station has produced their 10.5 hours of content? Kōkako is used to solve that problem. So basically we assembled a large data set of labeled data, a bunch of audio, which language is spoken when, and we use that to train the system to do the classification for them so that they can focus on doing the real work, which is promoting the use of Te Reo in the media, on film and in television and on the radio. It's a big dashboard that you can see here. Basically what you can do is it shows you all the different languages that are being spoken on the radio as colors. The purple is music, the red is Māori speech, and the blue is English speech. And you can choose which radio station you want to listen to here, and see. You can kind of see what their usage patterns are. Times for regular radio segments or slots. They clearly have an English bit around here. You can go and you can also go and listen, and then you can tell. Is it in Māori or is it in English? So this bit here should be in English. It is, and this bit is music. And that's just a little bit of how Kōkako works. Te Māngai Pāho used Kōkako in order to measure how much Māori is spoken on the radio, and it's important for setting their funding targets. So basically, Māori radio stations have to produce at least 10.5 hours of Māori language content per day, and this dashboard is how they measure whether they're meeting those targets or not. At Dragonfly, we're quite excited to share Kōkako with everybody. Kōkako for us has been really amazing because it's spun into a bunch of projects that have been quite transformative over time. So we started with language classification, but now we're working on other problems like speech recognition and speech generation, speech synthesis. We want to work with iwi organizations to build chatbots, all that sort of crazy stuff. But this is where it all began, really.